Oh no. Oh no.
Wait, see, wait, I don't go nowhere. Guys, be careful, that looks well fucking dangerous. Mind they don't knock each other out with it, you know? I might have done, but half hour ago.
Huh? Yeah?
No, it was about 10 minutes ago.
They're just taking so much chain, they're not going to get it that far.
Yeah, look how heavy it is.
Just mind your head.
Exactly.
Are you going to come this far?
No, they should mind their head.
How are they going to take the
Go on, go on. Who's the strongest? Is Kieran the strongest?
No, they just
so Paul should throw it. Oh, is Paul gonna throw it? Paul should just go there. Careful! Move out the way!
Wow.
Stay well away.
God. Get off the way, bud.
Give me a bit of black.
I'm hoping another boat will come down. Oh no, looking like it, is it?
No, it's not.
Not too much, you don't want it to get stuck.
Go! Go!
Get off.
Go on, Paul! He's shitting himself up there. Come on. Come on, on two. On two. Come on, Paul.
It makes me laugh.
Come on. Come on. Battery's going to run out. Go on, go on, go on, go on.